Alright, so I just want to do a quick little apartment tour, like luxury apartment, downtown Chicago, little tour, and then I have some fall decor going on right now since it's October. Alright, so starting with the front door, this is how you come in. I put a little keychain thing holder because I kept forgetting my keys. So when you first walk in, this is kind of the look, and then I'll show everything. So the to the right is the laundry, so it's nice and tucked away. And I have the washer dryer, and I just keep like cleaning stuff next to it. This little mirror. I do want to get more like a little table and decorations here for like when you first walk in. Still working on the decor. And then to the left is the front hall closet. This is actually where I keep the litter box and then vacuum and just like extra storage, coats, whatever. So that's that. And when you walk in to the left, you have the second bed, guest bed. It's actually considered a den. So this is just like the guest bed, twin bed. I want to make it look like a day bed instead of just a bed. So make like maybe like the pillows go around the edge or something, make it look a little nicer. And then this is my office space when I'm working from home. I'm kind of doing like a mauve pink vibe, I guess. I don't know, I'm not good with colors. Cat. And then I have my little calendar set up. So it's all kind of a work in progress, but yeah, it's coming along. And then we have the open floor plan. So the first thing is the kitchen. Pretty decent sized kitchen. It's plenty of space for me. Oven, sink, and then like a lot of cabinet space too, which is nice. Even above the fridge. And then what I really wanted was the kitchen island, and I'm actually, one of the bar stools broke, so I'm gonna have to order some new ones. But yeah, so this is the kitchen. A little fall decor going on, and then right behind it I just have a little Halloween setup going on. I'm probably gonna like switch it out obviously as the different holidays go along. But yeah, these are just shelves that my mom actually helped like somehow plaster to the wall. And then this is just like storage stuff, so that should have been out of the way. And then going to the dining area. It's clearly not a dining room, but I like that it has a little separation between the kitchen and the living room. So this is just a little mini table I have, and then next to it I have just this table I probably want to get rid of, but yeah, so this is like the pet bed, pet food, and then my diploma, which probably will get moved to my office. But yeah, so this is my dining area. And then obviously right behind it, one of the scratching posts that always gets shredded every day. I clean it up. So this is the living room area. As you can see, gray vibes all over. I do want to get artwork right behind that. It's clearly like a big open space. Not sure what exactly. I'm thinking like something nature. I don't know how well it would match. So yeah, so this is the living room, TV, and then like right below I have bunch of shelving things. So I just did all Halloween vibes for the most part. And this is my first plant in the corner. It's supposed to be an easy one to take care of. So yeah, and then I have the beanbag and very cozy feeling in here. And I'll show you the balcony really quick. So this is my balcony. Let's see, balcony. Something's wrong there. Alright, so this is my view. This is Lake Michigan, for those of you that don't know. This is south facing, so this is straight south. This is east. So yeah. And then this is how I have it currently set up. Just Halloween lights. I have a pumpkin, and then the furniture, and then I have I think these are called mums, which is like a fall flower. So I need to remember to water those. I'm not great with plants. Yeah, so I love this view. I love just sitting out here. Got a view of the hotel and actually a bar I used to work at one point in time years ago. Okay, so coming back in, I will show the bathroom really quick. So this is the bathroom. I love the like marble tile, double sinks. The bathroom's a little bit messy right now just because I went to Sephora yesterday and that's like literally all the stuff I got just piled up. So this is it. I have like navy and silver theme. I love this shower curtain. And I just have my shower rack to hang everything, matching the floor. And then there's another towel rack back here. And then finally, oh, this is just my mirror. And then the bedroom. So I'll show the closet. The closet is a little bit of a mess. So I'm just gonna do it quick. Yeah, there's a lot going on. I have to organize it. There's the other cat up there. Hi, handsome. And yeah, the shoe rack. So this is the bedroom. It is pretty empty, but I kind of like it that way. It's kind of calming to me to not have a whole lot going on. But yeah, the gray and black again. These are pictures I took like while traveling, but I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with them. I just have like all my perfumes and stuff. And my bed. It's a canopy bed, obviously. I don't have like the real canopy drape, so I just kind of threw that over there for right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. My baby's on the wall. And yeah, and then my view from the bedroom is also really cool too. Again, this is south, and then this is east towards Lake Michigan. So I do probably want to move the bed so like I can wake up to the view eventually, but at first I was like scared of heights. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Ignore that sweater, forgot to put that away. Yeah, so this is it. Very cozy fall vibes going on right now, and yeah. So this is, by the way, downtown Chicago.